Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I always try to keep my immune system and everything working fine, I constantly live with different change of climates. So this is where this vitamin D3 supplement comes into place. So whenever you're trying to get the source of vitamin D3, like you go to the sun and you take it, but actually getting some support or getting some help from directly the source of the vitamin D3, it could actually help, or in this experience could help with the immune system, bone system, and even your teeth. So just a nice option that is gonna be convenient and easy to swallow. It's not gonna be like too hard on your stomach. It's vegan, no GMO, so it's actually a whole new experience. So if you wanna keep trying to help with your immune system, try not to get sick that often, this could be a good option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.